Namaste. How to swaddle your baby like a pro. Swaddling your baby feels safe and secure, just like at the womb. Let me show you how to do it step by step. I've chosen a muslin swaddling cloth. Lay a lightweight breathable blanket flat on a secure surface in a diamond shape. Fold the top corner down about 6 inches to create a straight edge. Gently place your baby on the blanket with the shoulder just below the fold. Take one side of the blanket, wrap it over the baby and tuck it snugly under the back. Now fold the bottom part up. Make sure there's enough room for the baby's leg to move freely. Finally, wrap the other side around and tuck it securely to keep your baby cozy. Stop swaddling once your baby starts rolling over, usually around 2 months old. Also avoid swaddling while feeding. And there you go, a perfectly swaddled baby, warm and comforted. Try it a few times, you'll be improved. If you need any more guidance, please walk it to the nearest Cloudnine branch. We are here to help you. Thank you.